Yo, so in today's vid, we're going to be installing the innovative 55 watt HID headlight kit for the Ram 1500. So, in my opinion, it's not a true plug and play. I mean, essentially, I'm just plugging it in, but I do have to do some drilling. So we're going on my way to the hardware store to get a step bit so I can drill into the back of the headlight, little plastic cover, so I can get all those wires through. We're going to mount the ballast inside the little hood headlamp housing. I got it off Amazon, of course, under $50. So stay tuned. Let's get it. Great hospitality at the old Graco. The guy came out with a little tube, measured my grommet, gave me the exact size I need. So they were actually out of the step bit. I wanted that because I can like gradually, make my hole just a little bigger, try it out, a little bigger, try it out. But they were gone, so he just went on ahead and measured my little grommet and gave me the size I needed. So now we're back in the Ram, heading back to his house. Get this thing installed, so hopefully everything goes smooth and everything lines up, plug and play, da-da-da, bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. I have them HID 55 watts installed in the Ram. So as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you these things, boom, this is box to come in. So it's pretty elegant, really elegant box. Actually, like my boy back in the day, right? He put some HIDs in his Chrysler 300. No, what was it? Chrysler Crossfire. He called it Coopy. So we was out in the barracks, man. I swear it took all day and half of another day to install these lights. We know what we was doing, but we really wanted to do it. Like he was down for it, and I was a little mechanically inclined, so I can help him out a little bit. But shit, man, it took damn near a day and a half to get them lights installed, but when they was in, they was nice, R.I.P. to Coopy. But yeah, he sold a car, but that freaking was a pretty. Before we can take out the headlamps, we had to take this grill off. So, speed clip here. You're gonna pop those speed clips out, and this whole plastic piece is gonna come off with it. Be careful not to lose your speed clips because you want to reinstall at these same points I pointed out. So once you take this off, take the speed clip off. You're going to expose these 4 bolts for the grill. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to take those 4 bolts off, and then at the bottom it's going to be some more speed clips. It's going to pull from the bottom of this whole grill. It's going to pop off. All right, let's get to it. Expose these 2 bolts right here. Take that same 10 mil, lefty loosey it. Then you're gonna come around here, turn your tires outward. This trap door is right here. It has another speed clip. You're gonna pop this piece off, right? Reach your hand in there and pull down this little white tab, and that's like another locking mechanism for the actual headlight. So you're gonna reach in this little hole. It's gonna be one little tab. So just to show you, this is the tab I was referring to. It's a white tab. Down is locked. What you're gonna do is push it up, and that's unlocked. So boom, it's done. Anyway, so now we got the whole headlight assembly out. This thing is freaking massive. All right, so the headlight is removed. We're gonna switch our 10 mil out to an 8 mil. We're gonna take off these bolts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 bolts, we're gonna take these out. Boom, the housing comes off, out. Move the clip. And that will release the bulb. So this is the old halogen bulb. So now we're going to take our HID. Just going to do a functions check, make sure everything's fit. Make sure. That's a little weird already. I don't think this is going to work. Oh man. Alright, so this right here is the halogen bulb. If you can see the little tabs. You got the main locking the locking tab, side locking tab, the other side locking tab. We got the locking tabs on the HID. Nowhere is big enough to fit, so this will likely not work. God dang it. So here we are days later. Unfortunately, the HID kit didn't work. So I was pretty bummed about that. I talked to my bro. He's like, freak HIDs, bro. LEDs are actually the new wave. And I'm like, nah, dog, nah. But anyway, he showed me his product and what he's on his vehicle. And I somewhat became convinced, and I went and picked up the freaking, the Hikari HID, as you were, Hikari LED headlight kit. So it's pretty simple, you know, legit plug and play. I won't have to drill the backside of my LED housing, well, as you were, headlight housing, and mount the ballast. So let's give these a try and see what happens. You know, I'm pretty convinced, a little bit on the fence, but let's get it. Unfortunately, I got to take that big ass grill off and do all that extra. Headlight is out. So we got the bulb, the canvas decoder, and this is going to prevent the any codes from being popped on my truck or that flickering that you typically get. So LED, canvas decoder. So got a positive and a negative. You just red and black, positive, negative. It's gonna match it up. Boom, plug it in. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Actually getting this light inside. So here we go, let's get a view. Oh, wait a minute. Alright, boom, there we go. Alright, so what's in there? In there. Now we're going to take the positive and negative, click. So now the good thing about the LEDs, I don't have to drill a hole into the back side of the headlight cover. So this canvas decoder and these extra wires, I'm just gonna finesse it in here. best as I can. Boom. Quick op check before I freaking. Alright, so I just freaking op checked these lights, put a little power on them and see how bright they were, and oh my god. You guys gotta watch to the end. Putting all this up, I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver's side, and then I'm gonna definitely give you guys that comparison video. Watch until the end for a giveaway. So for the reinstall, you're gonna replug the factory harness into the light. Then you want to make sure, remember this white tab, make sure it's up, because this little ball joint is going to fit in there, and this little latching sleeve is going to latch on to one of these back latching housing. So let's go ahead and do that now. Once you get those clips aligned, give it a good little bang. And that's going to attach those speed clips. Just look down, make sure everything's aligned. So you take your hands off of it. Moving on, don't forget, you got to put those 4 screws back in. Here, 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 and the last one will be right here. All right, while I'm here, I'm going ahead and update my upgrade my tag lights. So this is the product I'll be using. Another under $20 LED bulb. It's just a whole bunch of freaking LEDs on both sides of these things. One's just like 10 each side. Give you a little close up on that power. So let's go ahead up under the truck and let's get this thing done. Alright, boom is out. Now you're gonna get your LED. Depending on the polarity, maybe we get it right the first time. Just push it in. Alright, so that didn't work. Nope. Just flip it. And boom, if you can see that. Jesus, is really bright. We have light. So now I'm just gonna take it, put it back inside the housing, rotate it 180 degrees, get it locked in there, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll fast forward to the nighttime, give you guys a comparison video. So I'm gonna brighten your day, right? So entering the chance to win the Hikari LED headlight kit by doing a few simple steps. Step 1, go ahead and like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit that bell notification so it'll alert you when I post a new video. Then go over to Instagram, find this post on my IG, Mike_Rutt, MIK3_RUTT, like, and then put a comment under that post, and then in about 2 weeks I'll announce the winner. So stay tuned. So this concludes today's vid. So we did the Hikari LED headlights and the freaking tag lights, T10s.